State your name and role on the team. Sure. I'll go first. Lucas Ferguson, and I'm the controls lead.
Tyler John, and I am on controls.
I am Ryan Erickson, and I am on controls.
I'm Ed Peterson, and I'm also on controls. I am Alan Voss, and I'm the best. No, I'm on controls.
Okay. So recently, during the first couple of weeks before build season, we've been working on Java training, and I've been teaching them how to program and how to program a robot. And then more recently, we worked on subsystems for our upcoming robot. Right now, we're working with a test robot to make sure we know how to use our new drivetrain called Swerve Drive, and that will allow our team to make a much better, faster robot than ever before. But it's very new and very complicated, so I've been working on that, Mr. Cross, our mentors, and then they've helped work on the other subsystems of the robot. So what subsystems have you all programmed yet?
Me and Alan worked on shooter today.
Wait, what?
We all kind of worked
No,
on
you and Kate did.
Yeah.
We've also done
okay.
intake in the hopper.
Yeah, intake, hopper, and shooter.
And pneumatics.
Pneumatics was perfect.
Okay.
So I guess that's a thing.
In the category.
Yeah,
It's fine.
it'll be fine.
I mean, not really. The functions were good.
And then you have
Full questions.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, I've been working on Swerve Drive, and then we'll be working on vision and vision programming eventually, hopefully next week.
Me and Alan have kind of been working on miscellaneous subsystems, getting base code laid down.
I think I've mainly done intake the past 2 weeks.
Yeah, I kind of just did intake, not intake, hopper and shooter.
I also recently been working on intake. So.
Okay. For me, I think Swerve Drive has taken about the amount of time I expected. We originally maybe planned for 1 or 2, 3 meetings to just start working on Swerve Drive, and we knew it wouldn't be perfect. Yeah, it was more complicated than I anticipated, so it took longer. For the subsystems, we're still learning how to program, or the rest of the team. So it doesn't necessarily, it's okay if it takes like a couple of days to program just the intake, because as long as we're learning how to program, that's really important.
Honestly, I thought it would take longer.
Same.
Yeah.
Because since we're new, I thought it'd take at least 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Java is more basic than you would think.
I think, this is the biggest controls team we've ever had. Last year, it's only been maybe 2 or 3 people on the controls team. So I think a lot of what we could do, we'll have a lot more things to do. This year, we're taking on a bunch of big challenges, such as Swerve Drive, Vision, and then Path Following, which is where our robot will autonomously drive a predetermined route to complete challenges. So yeah, I hope to advance our team's knowledge of different programming topics.
Well, I guess I'm just looking at it. Just help out the team. I'm not here much anymore.
I just like learning code.
Yeah, we'll kind of expand, become a bigger team.
With
get to know people better.
Well, I mean, that might be hard to become a bigger team since half the team is leaving.
It's fine.
They'll be fine.
Our controls team will only grow next year.
Yeah.
Because as long as no one leaves, I mean, it'll only grow.
So,
I think
For next year.
Wait a minute, who would be controls lead then? Me?
You.
Lucas is still like.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you're only junior.
Until he's gone, so then Tyler.
Tyler would technically get the place unless I get there first.
Okay. So I guess some things that the team, maybe some bad habits that our team has formed, or some maybe different things that we could do better in the future. I guess one thing that comes to mind would be, I guess, maybe organization and planning. And is this for the entire team or just controls? Okay. Yeah, and I think organization, just maybe we started using ClickUp a lot more. ClickUp is our task management software. And I think the more we use that, and the more our team knows how to use ClickUp and Discord, then the more efficient we'll be at getting things done.
I think the team needs to become a procrastinating tendency to do
Sure.
I think just that with the organization, because some of the cards are just on fast.
Oh, you should have seen them before you got here.
Or they
Organization, staying on task a little bit more.
I mean, the stuff is kind of,
Specifically within like controls, so it's very easy to get distracted by.
because it's long.
Or we just go out and code something random.
Yeah.
The Bob code comes to mind.
Or what about your own realm?
So I hope we can improve, staying on task is the, thank you. All right.
I think you did a good
Yeah,
job,
yeah,
but I wish we had more meets in person, but COVID.
COVID screwed
Right.
up the entire thing, not the first thing.
Yeah.
And then one thing next year I'll maybe introduce GitHub and VS Code sooner. And if we were in person, I would have done that a lot sooner because those are very important. to
But we can't
our
work
team.
on Chromebooks that,
No. Yeah. And so that's one of the limitations is we haven't been able to work on Java programming as well on Chromebooks because we don't have all the tools we need for Java programming on the Chromebooks. With our team has laptops that run everything we need. Maybe we want to mention here.
No. No.
Lord help me if I ever become controls lead.
we should get mini credits.
You know, so and I was thinking about that because I will need to assign a control lead.
Who is next in line?
Technically Tyler by seniority.
You know, I won't choose someone, but so you'll have to volunteer.
I will volunteer.
I mean, I'm cool without being controls.
Lucas, can I, on the topic of controls lead, I would probably say, and maybe I shouldn't, well, I'll just say who I think maybe should. I'll just give a suggestion. I think either Kate or I think you're Ryan.
Yes.
Yes. I think those two would be very good controls leads.
I mean, I just gotta improve a small problem I have. My focus has been terrible lately, but that may,
Oh yeah, same.
might be because of COVID and I get bored easily now.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'll just put more elevator music on.
Get out my phone.
And of course, even if I will pick some, I will be there and I'll be programming a lot more.
Yeah.
Or I'll be programming just
Going.
Oh yeah, we're still recording.
Yeah.